What is up, you guys? I'm here. I've got my Bud Light Seltzer. If you guys didn't know, it's my favorite drink right now. Yum. So I've been needing to film this video for so long. I'm so excited. I have so many cool things to show you guys. And honestly, I have made myself not wear anything until after I film this video. I'm excited to finally wear it. But yeah, how's it going? How are you guys? What is up? My name is Kate, for those of y'all that don't know me. If you do, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you guys here today. So let's just dive right in. So I went to a couple different places. This is kind of like an inspo video. So if you guys are like, I want something new for spring, like a new style. These are the styles that I decided that I'm going to rock this spring. If we get a spring, it kind of went from spring to summer really quick. So maybe this video is late, I don't really know, but it's fine. It's April, we are rocking it. It's May now. It's May now. Oh my gosh, okay. Wow, focus. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is this really cute outfit I found. I bought them together, but they're two different brands. I got these from Uptown Cheapskate, which is like a Plato's Closet. These are like really stretchy flare jeans. They're your standard blue denim. And I thought these would be so cute. They have like a very fringe flare at the bottom, but they're not like overly flared. So they're like really cute and they're high-waisted and they're from Fashion Nova. So I'm gonna creep on Fashion Nova and see if I can find a link of these. I got them for $10 and they're super, super stretchy. There's like no stretch this way. They're super stretchy this way. But yeah, so I got this. And then I paired it with this really cute graphic tee that says Weekend on it. It is a cropped tee, but I thought it was so cute. And the blue E's match the bottoms perfectly. And I mean, together or separate, these pants, I just really wanted a pair of really cute blue denim jeans that were a shade that I didn't have yet and were stretchy and were flare and didn't have rips in them. So they're like nicer, I guess. This Weekend shirt is from Peach Love and it was $12. So I actually paid more for the shirt than the pants, but I am so obsessed with this outfit. I cannot wait to wear it just for like a nice spring day. I don't even know what you'd wear it to. Farmer's market, maybe, just hanging out with your friends, something casual. And then the next thing I want to talk about is Mantra Band. I always say it wrong. This is actually a funny story. I received my first one as a gift from my boss and it says, "Be the change" on it. I am so freaking obsessed with them. And I had reached out to the brand and I was like, look, I am obsessed with you guys. I want to collab with you guys. Like, I'm going to be wearing you guys anyways all summer, so why not collab? And I would love to show my subscribers you guys, just because I feel like you guys will fall in love with them just like I did immediately. They're kind of like stackable bangles, but you can get them in gold, silver, rose gold, I mean, I already said gold, but, and then they have earrings, they have rings. They all say really cute things on the outside of them. Let's see if I can show you guys. So yeah, they look like that. The middle one actually has the words on the inside. And it says, "Beautiful girl, you can do hard things." So if you are someone that wants something inspirational that's like not in your face, but like super cute, I highly recommend these. I have been wearing them all the time with any outfit. I either stack them together or I'll put it with another bracelet, or, you know, I just feel like you can wear these in so many different ways and I am literally obsessed with them. So the next little section I have is from Dress Up. If you guys are from Georgia, Dress Up Boutique is really big around here. I've ordered from them many times. I had some stuff from them for my winter haul, so I was just really excited to order from them again. I am obsessed with this stuff. I wanted some like light weight shirts that were still long sleeves, so if it was a cooler day or like an evening, I could wear them with like shorts or something and I could still have like a dressy look but not super like cold, not too warm. Am I making sense? I don't know. I feel like I'm running out of breath, but let's get into it. So the first thing I bought was this really cute snakeskin button up. I thought it was gonna be a different material. It's really like cottony and like stretchy, but I'm thinking like if you roll up the sleeves and tuck it in or something, and then wear like a crop black top under it, or like a spaghetti strap top under it with some like leggings or black denim or anything like that. It would be like a cute casual look while still having like that collar on it. And you could also wear this for something more professional if you want to wear it to work or something like that. So I wanted something that was very versatile. This is a size medium and it was $32, but I think I got it for like half off. I think I paid $18 for it. They were having a sale when I got on there. So this shirt was $18 and the next one is $18 as well. But I want to show you guys the jewelry that I got. So as most of you guys are aware, I do have a media page where I do photography and videography for like weddings and couples and everything like that. So I recently went through a whole new rebrand for that, and it is all focused around butterflies. My whole website has butterflies, and it's just really stuck out to me as a whole. I'm probably gonna get a butterfly tattoo soon, just because I've been so obsessed with butterflies lately, and they talk about transformation and, you know, getting into a new part of your life. And so everything I have has been butterfly related. So when I saw this necklace, I knew I just had to have it. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how dang cute this is? And I've been wearing my like 1997 necklace, and even layered with this, I thought it would be so cute to layer. So this necklace was $14 from Dress Up, and I will link that down below. I know this one wasn't on sale, but it was a really good price for the quality that you're getting. So the next shirt that I got was my favorite from Dress Up, and it's this like lightweight cheetah print sweater, and the model actually had it like off the shoulder, or like off one shoulder. So I was thinking this with some like distressed denim shorts would be so cute, because it is like lightweight, but it still seems really warm. And then it has these really cute puffy sleeves that look like they don't go all the way down, so they're like 3/4 sleeves. And this was $19 on sale. Just a couple more things for you guys. The next thing that I got, I'm so into jumpsuits lately. I think they're so flattering and so cute, and they look good on every body. This one is such a pretty pink color. I fell in love with it. The brand is Braid & Gather, and it's like a linen material, so it's very like flowy. It's got cuffed bottoms. It's been waiting to be worn for a long time. I'm so obsessed with it. And then it has a tie at the top. So I just think this is so pretty and perfect for like a date night, perfect for like just a casual night out. Put a jean jacket over it if you'd like to be a little bit warmer. I was just so obsessed with it. I had to have it. It was a little bit more expensive. It was $60, and I got it from a local boutique in Georgia. But if you guys are interested in that, comment down below and I can get you in touch with how to get one. The next thing I got, I didn't know if I wanted to get this at first, but I was so obsessed with not putting it down. I literally kept picking it back up every time I put it down. So it's got this like crochet bottom to it, and I just think that's so fun. And with those like flare jeans that I just got, I thought it would be the perfect outfit. And it's made of that linen material as well, so it's really lightweight, and it's a really pretty purpley color. And this was $45. This is very boho vibes, and I just really liked it. It was a new style for me that I wanted to try out this spring, and I got this in a size medium. And then the last thing of this haul is this really beautiful dress. It is a size medium, and it's just so well made. I think that's what I have to say the most. It is also that linen material, but it's got really beautiful print. The bottom I think is the most fun. It's got these beautiful little tassels on it, and it was a little bit more expensive. This boutique in general was more expensive than I normally go, but it was $60, and it's just very lightweight, but it has a lot of structure to it. So even though it's lightweight, I feel like I'll be able to wear it without having to wear too much over it or like put leggings on or anything. I know it's a little bit shorter, but it ties around the waist, so you can choose to do that or whatever you want to do with the tie around the waist. And I'm just really feeling it. I thought it was really pretty. It was very different than what I normally wear, and I love like the Aztec print on it. Okay guys, so I definitely like blew through those so quickly, but I just wanted to get through everything. I didn't want to make this video like 30 minutes long, so hopefully I didn't get it that long. But if you guys like everything, I'm gonna link everything I can find down below. If you guys are curious about anything or have any questions about it, leave those down below as well. I hope I give you guys some cute outfit ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time for another video. Happy spring. Bye.